A gardener will provide general lawn services such as mowing, weeding, and flower planting. They may rake leaves during the fall or provide soil treatment, shoveling, or other types of lawn care during the winter. Starting a limited liability company, LLC, for your gardening business can provide several benefits. Most importantly, an LLC structure offers limited liability to its owners, which can protect their personal assets from lawsuits and creditors. For a gardening business, lawsuits can arise from things like an employee accidentally damaging a customer's property, example, destroying a sprinkler system while mowing a lawn, etc. LLCs are also affordable, highly flexible, from a tax point of view, and can make your general gardener business seem more credible. How to start a gardening business? Start a gardening business by following these 10 steps. Step 1. Plan your business. A clear plan is essential for success as an entrepreneur. It will help you map out the specifics of your business and discover some unknowns. A few important topics to consider are the startup and ongoing costs. Target your market. How much you can charge your customers. Name your business. How much profit can a gardening business make? Gardeners typically have varying profit margins based on their territory, the number of hours they work, and the type of equipment they use. However, it's not unusual to see high profit margins in this industry. If you charge $22 an hour and work 40 hours a week at 80% profit, you'll make around $700 a week. How can you make your business more profitable? Gardening can be a good way to break into landscaping, where top landscapers can charge up to $150 hours for their services. How to name your business? Choosing the right name is important and challenging. If you don't already have a name in mind, visit Gardening Business Name Generator. If you operate a sole proprietorship, you might want to operate under a business name other than your own name. Visit our DBA guide to learn more. When registering a business name, we recommend researching your business name by checking your state's business records, federal and state trademark records, social media platforms, web domain availability. It's very important to secure your domain name before someone else does. Step 2. Form a legal entity. The most common business structure types are the sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, LLC, and corporation. Establishing a legal business entity such as an LLC or corporation protects you from being held personally liable if your general gardener business is sued. You can form an LLC yourself and pay only the minimal state LLC costs or hire one of the best LLC services for a small, additional fee. Step 3. Register for taxes. You will need to register for a variety of state and federal taxes before you can open for business. In order to register for taxes, you will need to apply for an EIN. It's really easy and free. Depending on which business structure you choose, you might have different options for how your business will be taxed. For example, some LLCs could benefit from being taxed as an S corporation, S Corp. Step 4. Open a business bank account and credit card. Using dedicated business banking and credit accounts are essential for personal asset protection. When your personal and business accounts are mixed, your personal assets, your home, car, and other valuables, are at risk in the event your business is sued. In business law, this is referred to as piercing your corporate veil. Additionally, learning how to build business credit can help you get credit cards and other financing in your business's name, instead of yours, better interest rates, higher lines of credit, and more. Open a business bank account. Opening a business bank account separates your personal assets from your company's assets, which is necessary for personal asset protection and tax filing easier. Get a business credit card. Getting a business credit card helps you separate personal and business expenses by putting your business expenses all in one place. Build your company's credit history, which can be useful to raise money later on. Step 5. Set up business accounting. Recording your various expenses and sources of income is critical to understanding the financial performance of your business. Keeping accurate and detailed accounts also greatly simplifies your annual tax filing. Make LLC accounting easy with our LLC expenses cheat sheet. Step 6. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Failure to acquire necessary permits and licenses can result in hefty fines, or even cause your business to be shut down. Certain state permits and licenses may be needed to operate a garden business. Learn more about licensing requirements in your state by visiting SBA's reference to state licenses and permits. Step 7. Get business insurance. Just as with licenses and permits, your business needs insurance in order to operate safely and lawfully. Business insurance protects your company's financial well-being in the event of a covered loss. There are several types of insurance policies created for different types of businesses with different risks. If you're unsure of the types of risks that your business may face, begin with general liability insurance. This is the most common coverage that small businesses need, so it's a great place to start for your business. Step 8. Define your brand. Your brand is what your company stands for, as well as how your business is perceived by the public. A strong brand will help your business stand out from competitors. Step 9. Create and launch your business website. After defining your brand and creating your logo, the next step is to create a website for your business. When you're ready to share your new business with the world, you can launch and promote your online store. Drive traffic to your site to make your first sale, and invest in small business loans to grow your business. Use photos of your work and make sure to provide references even if they're friends and family members whose lawns you've successfully worked on. In conclusion, the creating gardening business can be a lucrative and satisfying career choice. But it requires careful planning and execution to ensure long-term success. To make sure your business is financially sound, consider hiring a bookkeeper to manage your finances and keep your business on track. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand will make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty. Time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.